Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Back up your user files and application settings before any repair starts. Create a system restore point and copy documents to an external drive. Next, run the failing application as administrator to test whether permissions cause error 0xc00005. If the app runs, adjust file and folder permissions for the program folder. Temporarily uninstall antivirus or security tools that might block program launches. Restart Windows after removals and test the application again before continuing to deeper repairs. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to detect and repair corrupted system files. After that completes, schedule and run chkdskc/f/r to correct disk errors that can cause access violations. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables matching the application requirements and reboot. If the error persists, uninstall the affected application completely and reinstall it cleanly while running the installer as administrator. Test the program after each step to isolate which repair resolved 0xc00005. When all other steps fail, perform a Windows 7 repair install as the final reliable fix for 0xc00005. Back up everything first because repair installs replace core system files and settings. Use your Windows 7 installation DVD or a matching ISO burn to DVD to start Windows while signed into the desktop. Run Setup. EXE from the media and choose Upgrade to perform an in-place repair without losing installed applications. Follow prompts, install updates, and test the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.